In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to get by ID. I mean, you have here a list of box. We want to get a single box. This is gonna be useful if you want to navigate to box screen details. For example, in your app, you have multiple box, and when you press on a single box, you're gonna navigate to screen details and see the detail of this box. Also, we're gonna learn try-catch blocks, okay? So now first let's create a function to get data by ID. So let's create our function, const get box by ID. It's gonna be also async function because we're gonna doing asynchronous operation. See this get request? We can just copy it and also just copy this code, this line of code, and paste it here. We need a new thing. Get by ID is like get list of box, but the different change is that you have to add the ID to this URL. For example, this is our endpoint. If we open Google Chrome and search with it, we're gonna get list of box. As you see, each box has an ID 1, 2, 3. What if we want to get this box with ID 3? Just add this slash and add the ID of 3 and press enter. Now we only get the box of ID 3. We're gonna do the same thing inside the code. So just you need to add our URL here. For example, let's add /3 and press save. Now let's test our function. Let's copy the function name and create a new button with title get box by ID, and when we press on this button, we're gonna just fire this function and press save. Now let's open our log and see. Let's clear the log, and when we press on get box by ID, look, this is the data of box of ID 3. Just to format this log, let's add number of 3 here to this JSON stringify method, and let's try again, get box by ID. Look, now that's the box of ID 3 with the author of name Angle Corona. Let's try another one. For example, let's try of number 5. We get here Carlton Danielle. So let's go to our code and replace this 3 with 5 and press save. And let's clear the log and let's press on get box by ID. Look, now we get the box with ID 5 with Carlton Danielle. So that was our lesson today. How to create a get request by ID. It's a very simple. In next lesson, we're gonna talk about try and catch, so don't miss the next lesson. And one more thing I want to mention. We can use the new string of ECMAScript. This is gonna make our code cleaner. So instead of adding /5 like here, we can make it like this. This string. This is the new template string of ECMAScript. And add the slash here and enter any ID that you want. For example, 4 and press save. Now let's try. And let's get box by ID. Look, we get our box with ID 4 and that's the data of it.